Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix uh, Nordea ID app not working. So let's get started. So here I will just open it. Okay. So first of all, if it's not open for you, then here you have to go and click on here, tap on here, and then you have to click on the I button. So at here you have to scroll down and see for the storage, just click on here, then click on clear data option, then click on delete. So by this way you can just delete it. So this is how to delete it, like delete the data and then you can open it and it will be fixed. If it's not fixed, you have to check for the update. Just go at here, okay, and just search for the here as Nordea app. Okay, Nordea ID app. Okay, just install it from here or update it. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.